Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Any.do subscription. All right, whether you're using iOS or Android. Now, for Android, you don't have to open the app. All you have to do is just go ahead over to your Play Store, find Play Store, wait for it to load. Now go to the top right, tap on your profile, and then here, just tap on Payments and Subscription. Okay, and here, tap on Subscriptions. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, as you can see here, I do have my Any.do subscription right here and it's active. So what we'll do is just tap on Any.do and then go ahead and tap on Cancel Subscription. Okay, just tap on it and then select the reason why you wanted to cancel your subscription. And then once done, go ahead and tap on Cancel Subscription. Okay, wait for it to load. It says here subscription will be cancelled. And you can still go ahead and use Any.do with its premium features until the date that is stated in here. Okay, now for iOS, go ahead and find the settings app. In here, just tap on it. Now go ahead and tap on your profile. Okay, tap on your profile. And in here we have subscriptions as well. Okay, tap on it. Now what you'll do is just find Any.do, okay? Same as what we did on our Android phone. Just tap on Any.do and then you'll have an option to cancel it from here. And that's basically it. That is how you cancel your Any.do subscription. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.